1234 Kalahari, Sandusky, Ohio. Room tour. This is a queen, double queen with this pull-out sofa bed. And the bathroom is nice. Got a clothes liner for the suit, which is awesome. We've got 4 kids, so this is a must. Gotta have this. And then your normal simple sink, nothing exciting there. But you do have a nice full fridge right there. And you also have the microwave, which is a must for reheating food from all the youngsters. 1 queen bed, nice motif. The ceilings are super high. They're like 15 feet high in this first level, so that's pretty cool. Again, it's 2 queens and a sofa bed pull-out. So these pull out, so you would have sofa bed, and so you can put 6 in here really easily, kids or big kids. Our kids are all under 12, so that's not a big deal. And then your room view is the back of the water slide, and you're in the middle of a resort, so it's pretty easy for you to get back to everything. But it's a really good room, and if you can get it, I'd recommend 1234 at Kalahari, Sandusky, Ohio. Have a great vacation. Bye.